Hello.
Man, you're not going to say anything, are you? Like, hello,
Well,
watch me open this.
You didn't say anything, so I didn't know if this is what we were doing.
This is a Fallout almost mystery box. I think it's from CultureFly.
Yeah, CultureFly.
And it was $20 at Walmart. We found that in another, like, classic Mario one. But can you open it?
Yeah, I can, but this is attached to the wrapping, so just anyone who wants
then bring
to
it
see.
in close.
It says there's a beanie, deck of cards.
It tells you everything but what the mystery vinyl is, it looks like. So I like all the different... Does he have a name, the Fallout guy?
Fallout guy, I think.
I like all the different outfits.
Oh,
on the side
it's
of the box.
Vault Guy.
That's it. I know. Vault Boy, isn't it?
I think it's Vault Guy.
Or is it Pit Boy Vault Guy?
No, Pit Boy's the
It's
machine.
been a minute since I played Fallout.
Well, they're all on sale.
I know, but you're like off camera now. You need to be like...
Oh, yes.
The prince and princess are roughly where the camera is. It can't be this hard.
It is. I'm trying not to dent the box.
Alright. Let's see that beautiful artwork.
Alright, yeah. Look, you can see the car now.
See the edges. I like all the different Vault guys. Dudes. Vault somethings.
Alright. I don't know what these are for. I know they're part of the skill tree thing, but I don't know what exactly they're all for.
There's the senses one.
I think this one is like stand your ground.
Anything cool on the bottom?
No. No, it just says it is...
By CultureFly. So that means there's usually
Bethesda,
a 100% original items in there. Alright, let's see what's in it. Let's see what... Oh, okay. For some reason I thought I was going to just flap open. Oh, cute.
Let's get it all.
Maybe. Sorry for the glare. It's either that or complete darkness.
This is by CultureFly.
Turn it around. There's a coupon. I don't think it's exclusive to just yours.
No.
Oh, if you do a survey. Okay.
Yeah.
Get 50% off.
We have a beanie, which I want to open, but I'm not going to this minute. The deck of cards. Oh, everything's wrapped up, so it doesn't matter if I open it.
Here, I'll open the deck of cards while
Yeah.
you want to work on the...
Now, I know this is a bottle opener.
Why are the deck of cards like cigarettes? It's got like the cigarette line around it.
I don't know. So this is the bottle opener.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
I think...
Huh.
I don't know how this works.
I haven't seen one that has like the big round piece on it.
Yeah.
What is it on the front? The Nuka-Cola?
Oh yeah, the Nuka-Cola. So there's the Nuka-Cola. And it just says Bethesda, Fallout. And I don't know what these are for, but I think they're just
I think that's just to keep it off the ground so it doesn't rust if it's moist.
Okay. Now these look like cigarettes.
Mintats? I don't remember those in the game. What were those for?
I don't remember.
Okay, well hold on. I've got the cards open, so while you open that, they're all Vault-Tec on the back with the little logo, and we've got the Joker. Looks like they're all... No, they've got different diamonds, and... Aw, the Queen. Dog is the ace.
Man, these are hard to open without denting the
It looks
box.
like it's just the same, just slightly different color set for each card. So, that is the cards, originally by CultureFly.
Alright.
Copyright 2018, so it is a fresh product.
Smells like plastic.
Well, that's fresh from the factory.
Alright, here this is, out of the box.
MedTech, okay.
These are the socks.
Oh, okay. I was like, I can't imagine what that box is for.
Okay.
How do you say that? Mintats?
Mintats.
I'm not sure either. Anything different on the insides?
Insides? No.
Oh, insides are blank. Wow.
We got the Charisma Boy bobblehead. Trying to get his face. Actually, I can open this.
I'll work on the beanie before you do that.
This looks different. Okay, so I noticed this isn't like the bobblehead ones you find at like Best Buy and Walmart. This is like an actual statue. So, awesome.
And then here's the beanie with the Fallout tag. He's, I guess, died? He got the radiation.
This is the inside. There's nothing in there.
Nothing on the back. So, okay. For your $20, you get, what is it, 5 items?
Gotta toss the box.
Cards, beanie.
The beanie up here.
Nuka-Cola bottle opener, socks, and statuette.
Oh yeah, wait, let me get the socks over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, so that's what's in the box if you're curious. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.